Hello everyone, welcome back. Here we are with part 24. That's right, 24 parts in to our Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Part 24, we're talking all about how we are not what we notice, but the noticer of what we notice, according to Dr. Wayne Dyer. That one's a little hard to read into, but basically what he gets at in this principle is that you're not your country, you're not your race, you're not all these kind of things. Stuart Wilde has some fantastic material on this one. If you have not read some of his material on this, you have got to check it out. He has some fantastic stuff on this one too. But that's for another time. Here, we're getting into why you're not your country, why you're not your race, okay? Because each of us is an individual. And he goes on to say we're actually a spiritual being. We're a being that is beyond all this kind of stuff. A little debatable on how you want to read into that one. If you want to take it metaphorically, I would say it's to say that you're the consciousness, you're this energy in your head, you know, you're these electric synapses, and that kind of thing is in a way eternal. That electrical energy will always be here kind of as a result. But if you don't want to read into that one too much, I'd say it's mostly a focus on the fact that you're an individual. You're somebody who is yourself. You are not just your country, you're not just your race, you're not all these things that people naturally think. People think, oh, because I'm this race, I gotta act like this, I gotta have this, I gotta do that, you know? And it's kind of crazy with some of the examples people can get into about this one. There's a good Stuart Wilde one that I'm going to borrow for this video, where he has like this waiter who is just like running around the restaurant being all upset about all this stuff, and he's just so angry, and she's like showing in his face. He's like all the time, and then like he asks him, "Hey buddy, why don't you just like calm down about this? I mean, like chill out a little bit." And the guy's like, "I can't chill out. I'm Italian." And like Stuart Wilde just like laughs about this one because he's like, what the hell, man? Just because you love Italy and you're Italian and all that kind of stuff, why does that mean you can't calm down when you're angry? There's no reason for that. But because the guy put his race above like his normal individuality and stuff, he's like, no, I can't calm down because of that. So basically, let a lot of that stuff kind of, like, you can still love your country, you can still love your race, you can still love where you're from, love your family, love your, like, traditions, your heritage. You can still love that, but put your individuality first is the main point of part 24 here. So anyway, that's at the end of part 24. I'll see you guys with part 25, so stay tuned.